Hey yo, I been on, been con, Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean I been storm, X-Men been form. He keep on dialing Nikki like the prince on. I been on, been con, Bentley tints on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I will be installing this beautiful wig from this company called IDefine. First I'm gonna dig inside this box to check out all the goodies they sent me. This is the hair I'll be working with today. I'll show you more of it in a few. They sent me this little packet in the box that contains some useful items. I got a rat tail comb. I really like these combs for parting my natural hair. I got these two stocking caps also. And I got this edge brush, which will definitely come in handy for my edges. And lastly, I got this tweezer that I will be using today. And this is what the hair looks like out of the pack, out of the net and all of that. I absolutely love it already just because of how great it feels. This wig is a 360-degree lace with a density of 150. The texture is body wave and the length is 20 inches. Before I start installing the wig, I'm definitely going to do a ball cap because I want my wig to be sitting right on my head. To hold the cap onto my head, I'm going to be using my handy dandy got2b glue free spray. And I'm spraying it around the edges to firmly lay the stocking cap onto my skin. I'm cutting these two holes in the cap as you can see here so I could have the stocking cap laying closer to my scalp around my ears. Now I'm gonna add some more free spray and dry completely. Now that it's nicely dried, I'm gonna cut off the pieces of stocking cap that I don't need on it. Now I'm putting my wig on to see how much I like it and what else I need to do to it. So far it's looking alright. I just need to go ahead and customize it a little bit more to my liking. The first thing I'm going to do is cut these side pieces off that's hanging over my ears, just so the wig will fit me much better. I'm doing a close-up on this because somebody had asked me to show much better how I cut this part off, so I'm also not going to speed it up just so you guys could see exactly what I'm doing. As for this side, I'm going to move a little bit faster because I'm not trying to be here all day showing you guys how to do just one thing. I'm also using the got2b glue free spray today to hold my wig on because I'm not planning on keeping it on for too long, maybe 2 days max. So as I spray it on and while it's drying, I use the comb to comb the hair back and lay it flat. This way it will, lay kind of like my own natural hair. Now this is something I should have done before putting my wig on, but as I put it on I realized that I should have plucked the sides. So this is what I'm doing right here. I've never done it this way before, but I already had the wig on and I needed to, so that's why I'm doing it. Now that it's nicely dry, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off of it. Now I'm taking out some of the hair from the edges to make some baby hair, make my hair look more realistic. I will use the mousse to better manage the hair and have it laid the way I want it to. Usually I don't trim the edges, I just brush them right back into the rest of the hair. Now I'm gonna do a little sideburn. If y'all don't like sideburn, you don't have to do it. I like it sometimes, so yeah, I'm gonna do some right now. Now I'm going to use the mousse again on the front of my hair to lay it nice and flat and mold it in place so it will look nice and neat. I'm putting it in a ponytail to have all the hair out my way while I tie it down. So I'm tying it down and leave it to dry for about 20 minutes before I do anything else to it. Now that it's dry, I'm getting ready to style it. I'm gonna give it a side part. I'm also gonna be plucking the parts and I'm gonna give it some nice curls. Now that I plucked the part in, it looks so much more real, and so I'm going to use the flat iron to tame the hair around the parting to make it look flatter and more in place. For my curls, I'm going to use my flat iron to achieve them, and I'm going to show you guys how I do a few of them in the front. After I make the curl with the flat iron, I wrap the hair around my fingers before I pin it in place, and I like to do this before the hair cools. This way it will hold the curls so much better. As for the hair in the front, I like to curl them going towards the back because this is gonna give it a really nice lift and make it look full and have some body instead of laying flat on my head. I really don't like it looking like this unless I was doing like really straight hair. Now all I really gotta do to finish off is brush these curls out and set them how I want them, and that's it. I have to say I really like this hair. It turns out pretty nice. I really didn't even have to curl it, but I wanted it how I wanted it and not the way they sent it to me. So yeah, I went ahead and put my curls in it and I'm loving it. Oh, by the way, guys, I have a discount code for you. It's gonna be Carol20, and this will allow you to get 20% off when you shop from this hair company. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Again, this wig is 20 inches long, the density is 150%, and the texture is body wave. I want to say a big thank you to the company IDefine for sponsoring this video. I was not expecting to like the hair as much as I do, and so I'm going to be posting a lot of stuff on my Instagram about it because I just can't help it. Check out my earrings, you guys. It says melanin, popping, and my necklace says Black Girl Magic. I got them both from City Trend. You guys are always asking, so I had to share the love. Okay, enough showing off. Back to the hair. I forgot to mention that I experienced absolutely no shredding with this hair and no tangling. So yeah, those are definitely things I absolutely appreciate. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, I'm so grateful that you stopped by. I would like for you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post new content. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!